Hope you are doing well. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe it for further updates. The question we are going to discuss is 3 power 32 minus 1 has two factors between 75 and 85. Find their product. We have to find two factors of 3 power 32 minus 1 between 75 and 85, and then we will find the product. As we know, 3 power 32 minus 1. 3 power 32 can be written as 3 power 16 whole square, minus 1 can be written as 1 whole square. So we use the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, the difference of two squares. So by using this formula, this can be written as 3 power 16 plus 1 into 3 power 16 minus 1. Now write it as 3 power 16 plus 1. It can be written as 3 power 16 can be written as 3 power 8 whole square. A 2s are will be 16, minus 1 can be written as 1 square. Again by using the formula a plus b into a minus b, we will get 3 power 16 plus 1 into, this can be written as 3 power 8 plus 1 into 3 power 8 minus 1. These are the factors of 3 power 32 minus 1, and all of them are not between 75 and 85. So we will continue. 3 power 16 plus 1, here 3 power 8 plus 1. This can be written as 3 power 8 can be written as 3 power 4 whole square, minus 1 can be written as 1 whole square. So again by using this formula, difference of two square, so 3 power 16 plus 1, 3 power 8 plus 1 into difference of two square formula, this can be written as 3 power 4 plus 1 into 3 power 4 minus 1. No, these two factors here, 3 power 4 is 81, and 81 plus 1, 81 plus 1 is equal to 82. So this one is 82 and this one is 80. So these two factors are between 75 and 85, and we have to find their product. So the product will be, the product will be 82 multiplied by 80. 8 twos are 16, 1 carry, 8 eights are 64, 64 plus 1, 65. So we get 0, 6, 5, 6. So the product of two factors of 3 raised to the power 32 minus 1 between 75 and 85 is 6560. That's our final answer.